Yeah, playing video games is fun, but if you've ever tried making them, you might have gotten a little discouraged. Where do you start? There's a lot of options. Hi, I'm Tim from the Herrick District Library, and today I'd like to give you 3 reasons why Bloxels might be the choice for you or your child to start designing video games. So reason number 1, Bloxels is straightforward. You start with blocks of only 8 types. So we have terrain, things you can walk on, liquid that you can swim in, we have enemies, power-ups, hazards that can hurt you, action blocks that you can pick up, collectibles, and then dialogue. And those are the only 8 blocks in all of Bloxels. So with those 8 things, you're going to be able to make everything. Then when you're ready to add art and stuff, you can, but it really is just as simple as put floor where you want it, put the enemies where you want them. Reason number 2 is it is customizable. You might not think that because I just said it was very simple and restricted, but it really does have options. First, within each of these block types, you have the ability to customize different things. So this little wrench icon will let you configure certain types of blocks. So for example, this mushroom here, it's a bounce block, and it will let me pick how much. Or this squirrel over here, I can decide how much life it has, how big it is, what type of attacks it can do. But where you can really make this game your own is in the art and in the story. It comes with some stock characters that you can use, but if you are really interested in getting nitty-gritty and doing all sorts of your own art, you can do characters frame by frame, you can draw your own backgrounds, you can really go as deep as you want within these restrictions. And then reason number 3, Bloxels will let you finish something. Yes, I've mentioned Bloxels isn't as customizable as Unity or Unreal Engine or one of those other major platforms, right? Bloxels is really not meant for that. But if you're the kind of person who feels like you have a game inside of you, but you've never finished one, because let's be real, it's a really big and daunting process, Bloxels might be good for you. You have 8 types of blocks. What can you make? Make something, finish it, and share it. Get used to how that feels, and maybe you'll move into something more advanced later, or maybe you'll find that Bloxels is just what you need. If you're at the Herrick District Library, come on in and we'd be happy to show you how to use Bloxels, but they also have their own set of terrific tutorials online that I highly recommend. If you or your child are interested in game design and you just have 0 clue where to start, give Bloxels a try.